Hey everyone, today we're going to go through the streets of Nanshan in Shenzhen, China to find some delicious Cantonese style sesame donuts.
And then we're gonna get in the kitchen and try and make them ourselves.
Ooh, let's do it.
I got a hot soy milk and one of these bean-filled sesame donuts. They're like pretty much the most delicious thing in the universe, so I'm just gonna have a bite. This is my Easter Sunday Easter egg. It's so warm and sweet and tasty. I love it. Perfect. How is it?
It's warm and gooey.
Show me the donut.
So delicious. Inside, red beans.
Okay, wait, I just gotta focus. Yeah.
Our recipe today is a super simple traditional version of this donut. So we're only going to be requiring 3 ingredients.
And you can find all of these ingredients at any Chinese convenience store. We're going to be using glutinous rice flour, sesame seeds, and red bean paste, as well as some water to bind them all together. There's a standardized recipe in the description below, but right now let's get started with the super simple version that only has 3 ingredients.
You'll need to work the flour into a Play-Doh-like structure, and then take a little ball of the flour and mush it out into a disc. Put some of the filling into the flour and then seal it all together, removing any excess filling that is on the sides. Then you're ready to roll it in sesame seeds and throw it into the oil.
This is ready. What do you think?
I think, yeah.
It is ready, yeah.
Oh, careful.
They explode, right? The glutinous rice flour explodes.
Yeah.
Getting your process again.
Having the oil at a right temperature is a little tricky, and I think I cooked my donuts too hot this time, so we'll be trying this recipe again on a slightly lower temperature.
Tamarind is sour bean. If you like eat the tamarind.
Some people. Some
A lot of seeds.
not many people though.
But you can make them without the sesame seeds.
Thanks so much for watching our first attempt at trying this awesome traditional Cantonese donut recipe. Next time we might put a bit of sugar and baking powder into the dough to see how that affects the fry.
Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe, and we'll see you next time.